Oh no, shit. I have the trash can on it. Ah, whatever. Crop that thing. Damn, that looks kind of cool. Ah, wish that metal pole wasn't there though. I feel like I need a wider lens for this. Oh, I guess that will work. Yeah, that'll work. Don't let it ruin your shot. Let it become the shot. We're in the jungle, baby. Wait a minute. I think I missed something. Okay. That'll do. Okay. I gotta hurry up a little. Time is passing by and the sun is going down. Alright, good evening, my dudes. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Rain. I am not really a photographer. I just decided to go out with my 35mm f1.4 and yeah, go take some pictures because I have a camera, so why not use it, right? I want to get into photography, but currently I don't really have the best lenses for this kind of stuff. I want to get something like a 70-200 so I can focus more on subjects, but currently my lenses are pretty wide. But that's not gonna stop me. If I have to use a 35, I'm going to use a 35. And honestly, a 35 is already a decent starting point. You can do a thing or two with it. Oh no, human contact, my enemy. Come on.
Bye bye.
Well, at least he was nice. Can't say that about everyone. I feel like I'm still relying on bokeh a little bit too much. It just looks so good, it's cinematic. I can't help it. I'm definitely doing too many close-ups. That's just so much to learn when it comes to composition. So it's pretty easy to just fall into the trap of, oh, bokeh, good. It is 9:08. Apparently the sun is about to go down in about 20 minutes. So we should have some more time, but it looks like the sun is already going pretty far down. We're going to a river, so we might be able to see the sun there. Not sure about that though. But after all, I'm not trying to photograph the light. I'm trying to photograph whatever the subject happens to be, so I guess I shouldn't stress over it too much. Resisting the urge to take a close-up of pretty much everything I'm walking past right now. But just look at these things. They're too cute not to take a photo of. As you saw in the intro, I packed a tripod just in case I wanted to do some exposure bracketing, but honestly I don't feel like I will need it, so I'm just carrying it with me for no reason. Whatever. Or maybe I could make some long exposure shots. That would be cool, but that would be like, whatever. Oh yeah, that'll look cool. I feel like a wider lens would work better here, but I guess this one will get the job done. Honestly, I don't even know what my subject is right now. I just think it looks cool, but I don't think that's the point. Yeah, I guess that will do. Okay, looks like the grass is pretty high here and hasn't been cut in a while. That will make it harder to get to the river, which is right through there. Oh, can you see it? Probably not, but I can. Is that a cool shot? Is it? I guess it looks kind of cool. Kind of neat. Okay. No bokeh this time. Oh yeah. Is that where I want to go? Yes and no. I mean, it looks way easier. Oh, never mind. Yeah, this is where I want to go down. Even though it pretty much leads to the same place. But yeah, this is where you would go down. A few people might recognize this place. Alright, I think this is pretty much it. This is where we filmed the music video for Chance. And holy smokes, the water looks green as hell. And yeah, this looks about right. This is where I stood when we filmed the music video for You Did It. Damn, I wanted to actually go there and took a picture like pretty much on the river. But it looks like the level has risen quite a bit and I can definitely not stand on there. At least I shouldn't. I probably can, but that would end bad. For both my clothes and the camera, so how about we don't do that? I think, yeah, exactly. This is where we went down. And then we jumped onto this stone, and then from there, where the grass is growing, and from there over to the last one. Yeah, I probably should not do that right now. That looks wet. Alright, now I'm here, now what? It's hard to get a shot out there when you, well, can't get out there. How about this? Damn, that's pretty dark. Maybe exposure bracketing might help here. Okay. Okay, the plate is attached to it. Nice. This one. I forgot to bring it, but it was on there, so no problem. It was a little bit high, but this thing can't go any lower. Oh well. It's actually so bright, I think it's like blinding a little bit. Okay, for some reason I feel like this should all be in focus. Okay, this is my first time exposure bracketing, so please don't kill me. This will probably be the only time I use this tripod. Nice. At least I did use it once. Alright. As someone with a very severe and strong social anxiety, actually at this point it's probably more like a phobia, I feel so exposed and vulnerable right now, walking around with this thing strapped around me. With my big ass cap, well, not big at all, but you get my point. I'm walking around fully geared up like a weirdo. I just feel like I'm being watched all the time and I don't want to be seen. Ugh, I hate this feeling. Bada boom. Since I'm mentioning it pretty much all the time, if you want to see a vlog of me filming the music videos, go check out the eye right there, I think. As a vlog where we record the music videos. Okay, this is pretty dark. I hope you guys can see something. The shutter speed is pretty fast so that the stabilization doesn't look like shit. Okay. Yep, this looks pretty boring. I mean, it looks cool, but I don't think I can get a nice shot here. Don't really have a subject, except for this thing hanging down. It's pretty dark here though. I mean, it would just be a silhouette, so yeah. Maybe this time of day isn't the best for these kind of shots. Although, to be fair, I don't know if any time during the day would be a good time to take that shot. And since I'm new to this, feel free to correct me on stuff like that. Maybe a silhouette shot would have looked cool, I don't know. I mainly consider myself to be a videographer, so shooting like this feels weird. Oh, actually that looks kind of cool. My hand is shaking. And this lens doesn't have any stabilization, so... Yeah! Okay, thankfully I'm not a professional. Thankfully I have to give this to no one. Okay, I'm at ISO 200. I probably could have bumped that up and made the shutter speed a little bit faster, so it wouldn't be as shaky. And now that I said that out loud, I could have gone back and, you know what, forget it. Make mistakes and learn. It's okay. I guess that's just another bad mindset that I have acquired. More ISO equals bad, because grain, but grainy photos can still look cool, if it's not too much, of course. But I think like 640 would still be in the okay area, and I was at like 200, so yeah, that could have helped a lot. Okay, I like the colors up there, the like bluish, almost like turquoise. Wait, is that an English color? I don't know. It's what we call it in German. Then we go into the blue, then of course the red-orange, and then the more bluish tones again. This is where I would go to school, usually. Well, usually, like a few years ago. Not anymore, of course, now that I'm studying in Stuttgart. I mean, the sky looks cool, but I feel like this is kind of boring and simple. The sky photography thing, I feel like it's a cheat code, because the sky looks always pretty neat. Huh. This is dark. How low do you want to go? Nope, that's definitely too low. Oh damn, a bird. What? Really? It's right there. Not sure if you can see it. Oh, god damn it. It must have landed right there. Right after I took the shot. God damn. That's unlucky as hell. And I think it would have been in focus actually. Damn. Unlucky. That must be horrible for wildlife photographers who are actively looking for those kind of shots. And then they miss it. Like for me, it would have just been, you know what? Oh, nice. What a coincidence. But people who are actually looking for those shots and then miss it, oh, that's gotta hurt. Damn, bro. I feel you. And yeah, I might be able to relate one day. Oh, damn, that looked kind of cool. I don't know if the sign is nice or not. No. I don't like the fact that they don't start at like the same distance. This starts here, and well, yeah. Me human brain, I like symmetry. Same thing here. Okay, this is getting pretty damn dark. I don't think I can make any more photos. I should have gone like half an hour earlier. How? Damn. Well, you gotta learn somehow, man. Alright, like I mentioned earlier, I want to buy a telephoto lens at some point, because, well, 35mm is not gonna cut it if you want to do wildlife photography and stuff like that. I mean, it can work, I guess, if you want to take really wide pictures, but if I wanted to photograph that bird with the 35, well, good luck with that. And if you want to help me out, if you want to fund me, you can join the channel, join my Patreon, but only liking the video would already be enough for me. I appreciate any help I can get. And I appreciate you watching the video. My man, I didn't realize how far I walked. Holy damn. Somewhere over there is where the bridge is that we just crossed. And, well, we got a long way to go, buddy. Holy damn. The crickets here are loud. It's insane. What is it that you stand for? I don't know. Huh, this looks familiar. And so does this. Even though it's so dark, it doesn't really look like anything right now. Are you ready for an adventure? Are you ready, kids? Doo-doo. Oh, okay, and that shall be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know the gist. I hope you had a great time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!